First-time home buyers. You can own this home for less than you can rent it. Investors. This home has made a great rental property, but owners are ready to liquidate their rental properties and this is their last. This home is central to everything: schools, grocery, Waterson Expressway access and also Churchill Downs. With replacement windows, an updated kitchen with a nice breakfast bar, new water heater and large deck on the back, you do not want to pass this one up. Owner also has new central air unit ready to be installed before closing. Lot is also large enough in back to add driveway or garage. With just a little TLC, this home could be fantastic.